Good morning. Let's do a makeup look. I may have to pause this makeup look because church starts in a little bit. But until that time, let's begin. I'm going to begin with the eye look. And I'm going to start with Dolce & Gabbana Perfect Mono Eye Color in Nude. And my Real Techniques Domed Shadow Brush. And get this lid give it a nice surface to build my look. We've been on our walk already this morning. I'm assuming it's the Mojave Desert dust that's making for nicer, cooler weather. I think it came across the Baltic Sea and has settled in the Northeast. Okay. There is my lids. There are my lids. This is my lid. And together they're arm lids. Okay. Here's the palette we're going to use today. It's the BareMinerals Floral Utopia. And I'm going to begin, I guess, I'm going to do it in the order that you would assume. I'm going to take this, I think this one's kind of a satin. Yeah, the top left one is a satin. Okay, it doesn't give any color. It seems to be only brightening. There's a lot of kick up with these shadows. I guess because they don't have any silicone, dimethicone or whatever it is that makes it sticky. Yeah, it fluffed out. Then I'm going to take the pink. Okay, that yellow was called Daisy and Confused. Now I'm going in with the pink, and it's called Red Red Roses. Jenny, your looks all look the same. I'm going through a phase. Okay, this is Red Red Roses on my lid. Okay, if you want shadows that are easy to blend and it doesn't go from 0 to 60, you know what I mean? You go from not having any shadow to having too much too quick, you'd like this. All right, this one is called Dusty Violet. They're all dusty. They could have put Dusty in front of each name. This reminds me a little bit of Buxom's Dolly's Wild Side, maybe. I think it has more pigment. I'm liking it. It's diffusing easily. Jaclyn's shadows are so pigmented that it's hard to get them to spread once they're on. I mean, I like them. I'm going to take the purpley frosty one. It's called Dark Dahlia. Put that. What is it about my filming that makes everybody want to play outside? It's almost time for church. All right. That's a good one for diffusing the other one. I know, use your words, Jenny. Now, I'm going to take I need a flattish brush. I'm going to spray it with my MAC. I need some more. I may have another bottle tucked away somewhere. And I'm going to take the color Stay Golden Poppy right up the center. That's pretty. I want some more squirt. All right. Then I'm going to take the color Sweet Cherry Blossom. That one's not doing anything. Put that one under my brow. It's so timid. All right, this is good shadow palette for the timid. I'm going to take my Night Moth. Told you I was I'm going through something. There's certain things that I like using right now. Put it on my tight line too. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to take the darkest one in here. It's almost brown. It's so dark. It's a dirty purple. What do they call it? Dusty Violet? I'm going to call it dirty purple. There we go. There, I needed a more compact brush to lay it on heavier. All right, I'm gonna go to church. I'll be back. Check y'all in an hour. Ta-ta. Okay, church is out now, and we'll go back to the face. This is my Tom Ford brow, what do they call it? Brow perfecting pencil. I'm gonna draw some hairs here in the front. I'll try not to bore you. If I get too particular about this, I will edit it down so you don't have to watch the whole thing. Sometimes I start majoring in minors and I bore even myself. And that's saying a lot because I'm quite entertained by myself. So yesterday we learned that the Sigma brow gel is, now can you believe that? They go to the trouble and they make packaging with a brush in it. And they say, we're gonna sell this for, I don't even know what they sell it for, the price. So we're gonna sell a container of water to the public, and we're gonna tell them it's clear brow gel, and the only cost we'll have in it is the packaging. I'm not at all surprised they can get by with it, considering what other things people believe, especially lately. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna tell the people that if they leave their house, they're gonna die. And they're gonna believe us, and they're gonna stay at home. All right. Now I'm switching over to the little fancy container of water by Sigma. And I'm running the brushy end over the Lush soap. Yeah, I just got through with church service. Can you imagine what a nasty person I would be if I didn't have Jesus in my heart? That's awesome. Hey, I could pretend like that was our landscapers out there. Ignore the landscapers. All right, those are not our landscaper. We don't have landscapers. We do our own work. Okay, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Lash Whitening Mascara. See how it whitens and lightens my lashes? They're so much lighter now. I have a brush for, I don't know what I did with it, a mascara brush. Here it is. I'm just trying to make sure those lashes are separated before I go in with mascara. Then I'm going to take the Fenty. Y'all don't tell me if she said something that I would take offense to. Rihanna, I want to at least finish up this nice mascara before she says something that offends my sensibilities and I have to throw all her stuff out. Something ridiculous. So this is Fenty Full Frontal Mascara. I'm using this brand mascara because I like it. And I saw good reviews on how this mascara works. All right, see, that's a good mascara. And like I said, if she said something ridiculous lately, y'all don't tell me. Let me use up this mascara first. All right, I'm gonna pull out this, it's wet and, oh, it's Fit Me, Dewy and Smooth. I'll tell you why in a minute. I don't think it has much coverage, right? And what color do I have here? 220 Natural Beige. And I'm gonna use this Bedellium brush. I didn't put on a primer. Boy, this does absolutely nothing. There's the difference with this foundation on. I'm gonna take BareMinerals, their powder foundation. I can't get into it. Oh, it's got a little door. Okay, what color did I get? Medium beige 12. I'm gonna take this brush. It's really dense. And I'm gonna use it to buff this. I still may have gotten it too light. Well, foo-foo. Looks good, doesn't it? Okay, that's what I bought that for. Was to put it over the top of those pretend foundations. Now I'm going to take my bronzer that I used yesterday, and I'm going to use this brush again. It's my Hobby Lobby brush. It's really a pretty color, isn't it? Put it across the bridge of my nose like that. Okay, that's pretty. And I'm going to use my BareMinerals blush again today. They recommend you use it with your fingers, but I don't want to. I'm going to try this MAC brush. I'm still trying to perfect I don't know what the numbers are. 339 something. I can't see it. I don't know what it, and I don't have I think it says 190. Anyway, it's a dual fiber. It's pretty compact. And I'm going in pretty heavy with this time. I think this is a better choice of brushes than the one I used yesterday. I think it's really, this is a very pretty blush. I don't know if you can, in the viewfinder, I can't see the blush at all. All right, let's do under eye. And I'm gonna use the Maybelline Instant Agery one. And there. And I'm going to use my Soft Blend Concealer brush. Hold on, I got a new lipstick. Before I show you, I have to try something. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm going to use this is a MAC pencil, and it's a I think it's Patrick Star collection, and the color is Brick. And wear it in real good. There we go. Patrick Star Brick. MAC. Then I'm going to take the color from Tom Ford, and it's Spanish Pink. Yes, this is an anniversary present. This and the brow pencil are anniversary presents so far. That's beautiful. Okay. One more coat of mascara. And a squirt of Caudalie, because the BareMinerals made me feel dry. I always forget from one use to the next what a delightful experience that is. You can doubt me on that if you want. I don't care. Miss out on the Caudalie experience. See if I can. Okay. I enjoyed making this look for you. I hope you enjoyed the whole process. Let me know in the comments if your church has started back, and if so, are they requiring a mask? Ta-ta. Have a great evening, and I'll see you again tomorrow night.